Good morning, my students. In this video, we'll know about the comparative form. It's time to compare together. Let's start. I have two parrots here in the picture, the green parrot and the red parrot. So I'm going to use some adjectives to compare between them. So I'll use the adjective noisy, big, and small. Let's begin to compare between these parrots and see how I can compare between them. First of all, which one is smaller than the other? Yes, very good. So I can say the green parrot is smaller than the red one. So which one is smaller? The green parrot is smaller than. So if I have the adjective small, I have to add er and then I put than. I must put than after smaller. So the green parrot is smaller than the red one. Which one is bigger? What do you think? I have the adjective big. So how can I compare between them? I'll say the red parrot is bigger than the green one. So in bigger, I have to double the G because I have vowel before the last consonant. As we said before, the vowels are A, I, O, U, E. So if I have one of the 5 vowels before the last consonant, I have to double the last consonant. Like here in big, I have I before G. So I have to double the G before I add ER. And then I must put what? Yes, very good, Mr. Than. What about noisy? Which one is noisier? Let's see together. The green parrot is noisier than. Okay, can you look at noisy? The adjective noisy? It ends with Y. When I have Y, I have to cross the Y and put, yes, excellent, I. So before I add ER in the comparative form, I have to cross the Y and put I, and then I put ER. So it should be the green parrot is noisier than the red one. So the changes that we undergo in putting the adjective in the comparative form, what are the changes? First, I have to add Mr. Than. Each time I must add Mr. Than. So I have to put the adjective and add ER. Like strong is going to be stronger than. Short, shorter than. Tall, taller than. Sometimes I double the consonant. As we said, if I have vowel before the last consonant. Like what? Like fat is going to be fatter than. I have to double the T because I have A, which is a vowel. Thin, thinner than. So I have to double the N because I have I, which is a vowel. Sad, sadder than. I have I have A before D, which is a vowel. A is the vowel, so I double the D. If I have Y, So I have to cross the Y and put I and then ER. Like, for example, happy. I have to cross the Y and put happier. I cross the Y and put IER. What about angry? So I have to cross the Y and put IER, angrier than, if I'm comparing between two. And what about lazy? Lazier than, I have to cross the Y and put IER if I'm going to compare between two also. What about if I have busy? It's going to be busier. I have to cross the Y and put the IER. So I'm busier than you. I'm comparing myself to you. So I'm busier than you. Thank you, my students. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.